Okay, we're going to be making some salmon patties. Salmon. I don't know why they put a L in it if you're not going to pronounce it. But I've already got my salmon in there. We're going to add a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt. I'm using a kosher salt. We're going to add a half a cup of onions. And a cup of breadcrumbs. We're going to be adding 2 eggs. Okay, we got everything added. Now we're just going to kind of mix it around. Mix it up and around good. Now I've took most of the bones out of it. It don't matter if you leave them in there because they're gonna be soft. I'm gonna add a little bit of juice in here from the salmon. Needs to be a little more juice on that. Hopefully I'm awfully close to that microphone. You probably hear my breathing and everything else. Okay, and a little more in there. All right, I think it's looking pretty good now. Okay, let's see what we got down here. Oh yeah, I think that's about ready. Gonna turn that down a little more. It's about 385. I think that'll work great. A little patty out of them. Daylight is getting shorter each and every day. Oh, looky there. That looks good. I want to move this one. I should have. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That really looks good. It doesn't take that long for these to cook, really. And I think they're going to be fantastic. Yeah. Oh, look at those. Looky there, looky there. The little one here is kind of running a little shallow there on the fire. We'll see what it does there. Now I put a paper towel over the plate there. Not that these are going to have any oil dripping off of them. They're going to be fine. But just to help, it will work. Get that one. I'm gonna pull it on over a little bit here. Well, they're getting toasted right up there. Okay. I believe those. Let's get that. I believe these are ready. Yeah. Oh yeah. Looking good. All right, there you have it. salmon patties. Really good, really easy, and you can make them very quickly on the Blackstone Griddle. I want to thank each and every one for watching, and hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you'll click on one of those other videos up on the screen, I'll meet you there.